Here we are in the ActivePipe platform. When you first log in, you'll land on your dashboard, which will give you a high-level insight into the activity in your account. We'll talk about the reporting side a bit more in a minute. In terms of getting started though, you'll firstly, of course, need contacts. To add contacts to your ActivePipe account, we can either automate this for you by integrating with your CRM so that all of your contacts sync through to your account to mirror the information you have there, or you can choose to easily manage your contacts within the platform using CSV uploads. Either way, your contacts can be grouped into audiences and tagged with different attributes to help you define your contacts' needs and reach the right contacts with relevant content. Then in terms of your properties, we can also connect with your property provider to integrate these into your account as well, so that you don't have to manually input images and content each time. So once you have your contacts and properties in your account, you're ready to build some content. When you first navigate to your emails menu and click on Create Email, you'll be provided with at least one email template. Now your templates are based on your branding, including your fonts and colors, etc., so that anything you send from your ActivePipe account will be consistent with your brand. So you can choose a template, give your email a name, and then once you click continue, you'll go into the email builder. Once you're in the email editor, you can use that template as it is, or you can customize it to suit your specific needs by adding and removing panels. There's a range of options available to you that you can easily drag and drop into your template to quickly create personalized, relevant content. After you've sent out some content, you want to know who's looking at it so that you can get an idea of who's in the market and what they're looking for. Looping back to the dashboard, you'll see your high value contacts here, the highly interactive and up and coming. Now, out of your entire database, these are the contacts that have shown the most interest in what you're sending them by interacting at a higher rate. They're either highly interactive, which means they are clicking on lots of properties at a higher rate over the last 14 days, or they're starting to interact at a higher rate, so they're up and coming. Either way, they should be contacts that are on your radar because they're engaging with your emails and they're in the market. You can click on either of these lists to see more detail, and you can click on any contact record to see a full contact profile. This will include their contact details, their general stats in terms of open rate, subscription status, any identified intent, this contact's been identified as a potential seller, and down the bottom their most engaged properties, so the property they've shown the most interest in, and any tags that are related to this particular contact can be found here too. All of this helps you when you follow up with these contacts, getting a better idea of what they're looking for. They'll help promote warmer conversations and better outcomes. You can also look at individual campaign reports through your campaigns or sends menu. Click on the campaign you'd like to look into and into the hyperlink report to see stats on email sent, open rates, interactions, most engaged contacts, and the top links in terms of interaction. And you can also look at things like metrics, including any unsubscribes, bounces, and where your contacts are viewing your emails from. So that's a very quick introduction into how ActivePipe works and how you can use it to streamline and strengthen your business. We've really just scratched the surface here. There's a lot more in depth we can get. You'll find there's a lot of resources to help you along the way to get the most out of your account. You'll find the help icons throughout the app to assist you with tips and explanations. You have access to our Knowledge Centre where you can view video tutorials and search for answers to any queries, and our dedicated support team are always there to assist you as well. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you'd like to contact our customer success team, please reach out through our website and we'll be happy to assist you on your journey with ActivePipe.